Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 26th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So, on the US dollar yen, this was a pretty good short today. This is a trade that I did take, but it didn't act like a wave three. If this was a wave one, a wave two, and a wave three, this thing would have just kept on maintaining downward momentum. I think what we're likely seeing here is this is an A, this is a B, and potentially now we're going to go up for wave C, which once it does go up and take out these highs, I would definitely put my Fibonacci retracement back on the move down to look for possible resistance areas for a wave C to possibly end. It could always turn into a 1, 2, 3, go all the way up and take out these highs too, so could possibly be worth looking for longs if that is the case. If it goes to a Fibonacci retracement of this move down, makes an impulsive turn to the downside, then stop looking for logs and start looking for shorts again. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.